Question number 8. Natural resources. We see many things on earth, they all are well known for us. But we do not use all things which are available in nature. And some things that we use that are available in nature, for example, water. Let's see definition of natural resource. The natural things that man use are called natural resources. What are they? They are air, water, soil, land, minerals, plants and animals. These all are natural resources. Some natural resources are limited. They are invaluable. Invaluable means extremely useful. Air is available in plenty. These not deplete. Deplete means lower. We need air for various purposes, for example, breathing to burning. Let's see figure 8.2 to 8.13. This figure will give us some idea about some natural resources. In figure 8.2, man is plugging the land. He grows various crops and fulfills his and others' need for food. For this purpose, he uses the soil, is natural resource, which are available naturally. Soil is very important resource for agriculture. Let's see figure 8.3 and 8.5. which show us man catching fish and another man is drawing water from a well. In this picture, they both are using natural resource which is water to fulfill them needs. We use water when we wake up, when we go to bed. These show us water is very important natural resource. Even all living world depend on this resource, means they are depend on water. See figure 8.9. It show how we obtain means acquire salt from seawater. We make use of salt in our day-to-day life. See some figure that use forest as a natural resource. In figure 8.4, this man is collecting honey from honeycomb. This also find in forest. Even this lady and this man, they are gathering wood in figure 8.6. See figure 8.10. This lady, what she is doing? She is collecting of rubber latex. In figure 8.11, he is gathering of resin from tree, means figure 8.11, 8.10, 8.6 and 8.4. They all are used forest as a natural resource. There are various plants on our earth. They are classified as grass, herbs, shrubs and trees. Man successfully experiment with some grasses for food grains. Even in figure 8.15, we can see ancient civilization which flourished near river valleys. Here you can see Harappan civilization which flourished Indus river. Equator to the poles. As per the temperature zone, we find the following vegetation on the earth. First, equatorial evergreen forest. Then, deciduous, tropical grassland, thorny shrubs, temperate grassland, mixed forest, broadleaves forest. coniferous forest and tundra. Man makes use of animals for a variety of reasons. For example, he used animals for plugging, riding, transporting goods and obtaining, means getting meat, egg, bone powder, hide and other things from animals. Man has depend on nature for many things. He used many things from nature for his progress. Nature is not for man alone. It also belongs to other living things too. Therefore, we should always use natural resources judiciously. Thank you.